Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make the perfect Easter appetizer or delicious snack recipe. And first we're going to boil some eggs. I've got some water to a rolling bowl here. I'm going to carefully throw in a bunch of eggs. I like to use a spoon to help rest them in there and get them in there. We want to do this as quick as possible. And this is a very quick, easy, high protein appetizer snack. We're making deviled eggs, y'all. Everybody makes them different. Everybody does the process different. Shoot, I can see one cracked. It's okay. I've got 12 eggs here. Some of these can be prep. They probably won't. Oh boy, that one cracked as well. They probably won't all be hard boiled, but that's no big deal. We're gonna boil them for 15 minutes. Take them out and immediately throw them into cold water. Ice cold water. See you then. Alright y'all, now we need to carefully drain these. It's been 15 minutes. I cut the heat. I'm going to just set this in here. Fill this with some cold water so it levels out the super hot water in there and I don't bust my pipes. It's still pretty hot, but it's getting there. Sometimes I like to plug my sink, get cold water in there, and then dump it so it's easier to handle. And then put them in there, get this full of cold water. I like to put it in the strainer so I can just lift them out. It's a little easier. We're gonna get this cold water on them, fill that pot up, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Alright y'all, the eggs are full of cold water. We're gonna let them sit for 5 minutes and then peel them up. Alright y'all, it has been 5 minutes, at least, let's be honest. It's been a couple minutes. They're cool to touch. The water's still cool but not cold. Just gonna dump that out. Then these can drip in here. Perfect. And I'm gonna get to peeling them. Alright y'all, look how amazing these eggshells are. Basically full, y'all. I just crack them down the center and boom, they come off. Alright y'all, I just like to give these a little rinse because I don't want any eggshells on there. And the more perfect ones, I will make into deviled eggs, y'all. Perfect appetizer, healthy. It's healthier. Alrighty. Alright y'all, we're just going to take these yolks. They popped right out. I've got a fork to mush this in here. This is the only mayo in my house. I got it for special occasion, boating, but this is all we have right now. I put in like a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. Put a tiny pinch of mustard, yellow, and mostly juice, but a little relish, dill. Grab a little salt and pepper. Might need a little salt on top. Okay, we will smush this and see how this goes. Probably need more mayo and mustard, but I don't want to overdo it. We do. I don't want them to be too wet. I'm not a master at these. Just a little bit, y'all. You could even decorate these. I think we're gonna keep it classic and simple today. Okay, let's see. Looks good. I just want to use a fork so I can squish these yolks. It looks pretty thick still. Okay. I think it still needs a little more mayo, and then probably have to give it a try. We probably added 3 tablespoons. Okay, let's give this a try. I think that's a little salty and pickly. Oh boy, easy on the pickle. We'll try it with just some more mayo. Easy on the pickle. It's not that much of a mixture. It's not that much, you know. Okay, it's pretty good. All right, let's check it out. All right, y'all, good enough. I'm gonna grab a spoon. Oh, we're throwing spoons. All right, y'all, it's a good consistency. We're gonna use a few utensils here today and dishes. The weather's getting nice, but also some storms still. Alrighty, I'm gonna clean this bowl up. We're not piping it, y'all. We're just gonna scoop it in. Get a little scoop. Perfect. And if there's too much filling at the end, we will, whoops, backfill. Try not to make a huge mess. I'm pretty good at that. Always making a mess in the kitchen, y'all. I like when they bowl more even. I didn't used to like these too much, but they're actually really good. Maybe I wasn't too fond of the recipes I've tried. Alright, y'all. I'm excited to eat these. These are perfect for Easter, spring, healthy snacks. Protein, y'all. And if they don't get eaten up, you could easily chop them up for egg salad sandwich, pasta salad, potato salad. Very versatile. Oh, jeez. That one was perfectly cooked. Even, thick whites. They're boiled instead of fried or scrambled, so they're pretty good nutrition, I suppose. The only thing is that mayo is a little fatty. No big deal. It's a better snack than some, y'all, right? All right, we've got a little extra here so I can top these off a little more. Quick and easy, y'all. Can decorate them. Diet orange, cut up carrots, pickles, olives. You could decorate these for any occasion. Family friendly. Can put a little spice. You don't have to. So many flavors, vegetables. I actually use most of the filling, so that's perfect. Plenty enough salt in the filling at least. The filling should be a little salty because the egg white doesn't have any. There's like 1 egg's worth left, and I will save that for an egg salad sandwich or something. Now I've got a little cayenne pepper here. We're gonna go in with a little sprinkle. They're slipping and sliding. We're just gonna give them a little dusting. I might add a little black pepper. Beautiful, gorgeous, delicious. Little black pepper, y'all. Cayenne and black. Bon appetit. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think, y'all. Bon appetit. Cheers. It's starting to rain now. Jiminy. Oh yeah, y'all. Perfectly creamy, delicious. There's plenty enough salt for that egg white. It's perfect. Not too crunchy with the relish, not too pickly. Absolutely incredible. Go make these for your family. Bon appetit, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great Easter. Peace out.